Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when the videos are up. How to create YouTube channel art photo or the cover photo or the background photo. For that you would need two applications, that is Pics Art and the photo and picture Resizer. You can easily download it from Play Store. Also you would need the sample picture of YouTube art photo. You can easily download from Google. I'll show you how it looks. First of all, open Pics Art. To edit your cover photo or the art photo, click on the plus button you see below. Select the sample photo. I'll show you. This is how the sample photo looks. This is how the sample photo looks. So for that, basically, now add the photo you want to keep on the background. I would select this one and add. Select the area. Personally, here all the details have been given. The tablet size is this much. Your desktop minimum and mobile size is this much, and whole of the will be seen on your TV. So first of all, I would suggest to just cover up your phone size. This is how I will cover it. Now add the text. Click on the text. Write down the name you want to. I would minimize it. Adjust it according to your need. From there I will add some stroke, color red, and then another text. You can also add the gradient like this. It looks nice. Texture, anyone you can select. This looks nice. Okay, much better. And the next text I would like to add is crazy. This is basically my channel name I am adding up. You can also add the text you want to get it displayed on your cover photo. Okay, I would like to give it a stroke, black color, and the color or the gradient or texture, I would prefer texture. It's very easy and conveniently gives a good look. Okay, you can also change font from here like this. I would like to select this one. Okay, and the next another text, last one, life. This is very convenient app and very easily editable. Okay, the stroke, amount of stroke you want, you can see this difference, right? Okay, and the color, again the gradient or the texture. You can also change the color of the gradient, see, like this, or the texture. There are a lot of textures. I just love them. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now the background text background image you inserted, this one, just expand it to the full size, that is desktop size, and give it a save. And click on save. Save pictures on your device. Okay, and click on done. It will automatically be saved into your gallery. There it is, Pics Art, and this is how it looks. Now the photo is been seen. Now go to the another app, that is Photo and Picture Resizer. Over there, select the photo. Here's the photo, and click on the 4 arrows you see on the upper side. Go to show more and select the size 2560 by 1440. That is the actual size of the YouTube channel art, and it will automatically resize your photo. It's already resized. You can share it, or you can see over here, see in resized photos. See, the photo is been resized. Okay, now I will directly transfer this photo to my laptop, and I will get back to you in a minute so that you can easily see how to upload also. Stay tuned. Okay, back to the video. I have transferred the photo to my laptop, and nowadays you can only upload your cover photo or channel art or the background photo through laptop. So make sure you transfer it to your laptop. This is the new policy of the YouTube. You can only upload it from the desktop or the laptop or computer. So click on the upper right icon you see, and go to the first option, your channel. Click on the customize channel. If you don't have the customized channel icon, go to the description below, and I have shared the link where you can get how to get your customized channel button back or the customized channel icon visible. So back to video, customized channel. Over there you can see the pen on your channel art cover. Click on it, go to edit channel art, select a photo from your computer. I would select the photo I have transferred it, and click on open. It's uploading. Here also you can see the recommended channel art size and maximum file size. So this is how it will be displayed on your desktop, TV and mobile. So if you want to adjust the crop you can, but it's perfect for me. So I will just select it, and it's saving. It's saved. So this is how it will look, and you change your channel art or the cover or background photo. I will also show you how it looks on the phone. So back to the phone, I will show you how it looks. Going on your channel, and this is how my channel art looks on phone. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check the videos linked in the description box. Comment below what are the things you would like to see. Till then, bye bye.